Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. This lesson is lesson number 7 in our Arabic Letters Academy. In today's video, we will work on two letters, which are the ta and va. Let's work with the pronunciation and then we will practice writing these letters. So, this letter here is ta, ta. Okay? I'm going to pronounce it with long and short vowels. So we have ta, 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 tu, 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 ti, 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 ti. Here are some examples. We have ta, طائرة, ta, ta, طائرة, طائرة, which means a plane or an airplane. And then the next example, ta, طاولة, طاولة, ta, طاولة, طاولة. The next letter is va, va. One more time. Va. It's like we will stick our tongue a little bit between our teeth, just a little bit, and try to pronounce it. It's going to be va, va. I'll pronounce it now with the long and short vowels. We have va, 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 vu, 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 vi, 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 vi. And here are some examples. We have the word ظرف, 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 which means an envelope. Okay? And then we have ظل, 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 which means a shadow. Here are some important notes about the differences in pronunciation between some of the letters that I would like to address. I will pronounce now the difference between those two letters, between ta and ta, ta and ta. I'll pronounce it one more time, and I'll give you a minute to repeat it and to hear the difference. So we have ta, 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 ta. So you probably noticed that the first one, the first letter, which is ta, which is the one on the right, this is a little bit heavier than the second one. Let's work on some words that have both of them so we can hear the difference. The first letter, or the first word, which is the berries, it's toot, toot, toot. The next one, the tomatoes, it's طماطم, طماطم, طماطم. One more time. Toot, toot. And طماطم, طماطم. The next letters are ظ and ذ. We have ظ and ذ. One more time. ظ and ذ. Here are two words with both of these letters so you can see or hear the difference. The first one, the gold one, it's ذهب, ذهب, ذهب. The second one is ظل, ظل, ظل. One more time. ذهب, ذهب, and ظل ظل. And that's it. In the future, we will have more videos about those differences between some of the letters that might be challenging for some of us. For now, we will work on the writing. The first letter. Okay. Now we will work on writing. Letter here. Ta. Okay. This is the isolated ta. Try. So the ta in the ta in the beginning, or the initial ta, is very similar. It's going to be exactly like that, but you will make it a little bit longer from here, so it will be easier to attach to the letters that comes after it. This ta here, that's the letter in that's the ta in the middle. Then again we have the ta. The end. Here you do the opposite. You will make it a little bit taller or longer from where it should connect, but in the end doesn't have to be that long, because this is here the ta in the end of the word. So really it doesn't have to be that long. Okay? So these are the tas that we need to work on. And now we will work on the ta. Okay? Same thing, very similar. But we have the we have the dot. Okay? So this is here the va, the beginning. We're gonna make it just a little bit longer so it can connect. And then we have va, the middle. One here you're gonna have to make it long, tall or long from both sides so it will connect. And then we have the va in the end of the word. Okay? All right. Now what we will do here, we will practice some words. Okay? Let's see. First word here is gonna attach ta, yeah, and the ba. Okay? So all of those, we will look at the letters and we will find that all of these letters are a two-way connect. Means that we are going to write the ta, the initial ta, then you have the this, here's okay. Have word here is طيب. طيب means can be used in two different ways. You can say طيب as in, oh, okay, I'm gonna do this. If someone asks you, can you go do this for me? And you'll say طيب, okay, I'll do it. But also it can be also used an adjective as an adjective that means something is delicious or someone is nice. Okay, you can describe food and say, oh, طعام طيب, this food is delicious, or that this person is طيب, this person is good. Okay? Now, let's work on more examples. Let's now work on more examples. We have these ba, ba, yeah. Okay? So va, this is the beginning, the va in the beginning, the initial va. Okay? Then we have the ba in the middle, via in the okay. This word is wabi, wabi, which means like a young deer. I'm sorry, I can't remember the English word, but wabi, that's a young deer. Okay? See, we can now one more. So we have this word here. Oh, we have ba is the verb. This is the being fatha, fatha, and then ha. We will look at all of these at all of these letters, and all of them are two-way connectors. That being said, we'll write initial ta, ta, ba, ha. طبخ, طبخ, which means he cooked. Right? He cooked food. Right? And that's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much. And this table uh, contains the letters that we worked on today. So take a look at it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.